People's developmental networks specifically oriented toward their careers, can affect career trajectory over time, as people tap those networks for mentoring and advancement opportunities. But what if you also knew how developmental networks actually change, growing or shrinking in influence as time passes? In a 10-year longitudinal study, researchers investigated 5 developmental network characteristics, studying how the content and structure of networks change over time. They found that network size is a key indicator of change trends for all 5 network characteristics. Starting with a large network produces higher initial levels of career support and network density. But while people with larger networks often start with more support, as time passes, those with smaller networks actually received more career and psychosocial support. Smaller networks also provided more diversity and stronger ties over the long term. The study also showed that there was covariance between certain network characteristics. For example, participants who started with a higher level of average psychosocial support were also likely to start with a higher level of career support, though other factors such as gender, ethnicity, or even organizational variables did not seem to matter. As people begin to understand how networks change over time, they may be able to build networks that will produce more benefit, both to their own careers and organizations. Wonder what characteristics your network needs? If so, you may want to read this paper.